middle letters. In middle letters we need to write between these two blue lines where we have written tail to head, reverse from the back, go to the head part, then becomes A. In the same way, tail to head on the top curve, reverse from the back at the bottom must be curved. Then tail to top. This practice we need to do for a few times. Tail to top in between blue lines. With the curve you need to start little above the blue line like this. Generally kids they draw like this with the points. We don't want this, and this is also wrong. We should not make such a platform where we give much time over the line. So just we need to touch the line, immediately take it in the air, tail to top, and this line must be straight but cross. Tail to top. Later on, tail to top, reverse from the back, make a C-like circle, semicircle. Then I tail to top, reverse from the back with the narrow gap, put a dot on the top, not like an ice cream or lollipop. Then after I, for M, tail to top, and 3 parallel lines we need to draw. Make sure these 3 lines must be in a slanting position towards left. Tail to top, first cross line, then break in the middle, go up, put the center line, then break from the middle, go up, last line, then M. In the same way, tail to top, 2 lines we need to draw for N. At the center we need to break from the back. Tail to top, first line, then go back from the reverse, then go top, then come with the parallel line down, make N. Once again I show you here. Tail to top, first line, go from the back, middle line, go from the back, then last line. These 3 lines must be parallel. Then N, tail to top, first line, go from the back, break in between, then put the second line N. For O, tail to head, reverse from the back, put a curve, go touch to the head part, put a knot. For R, tail to top, on the top put a knot, then in the same way parallel line towards the R. Both the lines must be like this. Generally kids they write like this. This is the wrong way. For S, tail to top, very simple. The head part should be small and the body little bigger than the head. But generally kids they write like 8. This is also wrong. And sometimes they put the head small but the body bigger like this. This is also wrong. So this is the right posture. Tail to top, little head, bigger body. S. For the U, tail to top, break at the middle, reverse from the back, come down, then put an oblique line, go up, come towards the left hand side direction. This becomes U. Tail to top, reverse from the back, come down, immediately take it in the air, then come down, it becomes U. Tail to top, reverse from the back, go up, come down, U. In the same way, tail to top, reverse from the back,